Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to solve Snapchat filters not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Snapchat application, tap on Snapchat application, tap on storage, again tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data, go back, again tap on apps permission. You can allow all apps permission. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Snapchat application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Snapchat filters not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.